It doesn't get hot, and the phone even goes up to 165 Hz. With a 7,800 milliamp hour battery, isn't that way more than the OnePlus 15? Hello everyone, I'm Yang and Al. My longtime followers all know that I'm a loyal OC user. My current main phone is still this Ace 5 Pro in my hand with 120 Hz refresh rate and a 6,100 milliamp hour battery. It works perfectly without any issues. OnePlus could totally update the system, or maybe bring over some of those Realme features I've been wanting, or even optimize the camera a bit. But what I really didn't expect was that out of nowhere, they just dropped this OnePlus Ace 6 on my desk today, with a 7,800 milliamp hour battery that's almost hitting the 8,000 mark, and a 165 Hz refresh rate. It's like they're trying to compete with computers now. So today, I'm going to give you all an early unboxing and hands-on look at OnePlus's soon-to-be-released new phone, the OnePlus Ace 6. There's nothing special about the box, it's the classic OnePlus red as always, and on the side it even says WindSpeed Gaming Core. Inside, they've thoughtfully included a phone case, just like before. It's a black silicone case. But what's special this time is that they've added the word Ace right here. Let's go ahead and take out the phone itself. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The camera module design has clearly changed this time. It's no longer that big round shape from before. Now it's been unified with the OnePlus 13T or OnePlus 15 turned into a rectangular shape. But since there's one less camera, it's been stretched out a bit. The one I have here is officially called Mirror Black. The glass back panel has a velvety texture to the touch. Kind of like those little marshmallows I loved eating as a kid. Looking at the color of the frame and the back panel, you can tell that the back panel has been carefully refined this time, and the overall sense of unity in the device is really good. According to the introduction, there are also Quicksilver and Flash White this time, making a total of 3 color options. They're all pretty understated. Let's keep going. Inside, there's also a 120 watt charging brick, which is 20 watts more than the previous Pro generation. In a word, practical. Let's turn it on and take a look. You can see that the screen supports an ultra-high 165 Hz refresh rate. As expected, the chip is the Snapdragon 8 Enhanced Edition. It feels like the mobile gaming ecosystem is about to enter the 165 Hz era. Simply put, the OnePlus Ace 6 gave me the feeling of being overpowered and exceeding expectations. So that's everything for today's unboxing. As for detailed gaming performance and whether this chip is truly as powerful and stable as it seems, let's wait for the detailed tests after the launch event. If you enjoyed this, please give me a follow and a like to show your support. See you next time!